class. So we have 6 exponent x plus 6 exponent x over 6 equals 70, okay? So our equation becomes 6 exponent x plus 6 exponent x equals 6 times 70. All right, so let's factorize. So we are going to have 6 exponent x multiplying 1 plus 1 equals 6 times. Now 70 is the same as 7 times 10. All right, so our equation becomes 6 exponent x times 2 equals 6 times 7 times. Now 5 is the same as 2 times 5. All right, so let's divide here by 2, here by 2. So this cancels this cancels this. So now we have 6 exponent x equals 6 times 7 times 5. So we are going to have 6 exponent x equals, 6 is the same as 6 exponent 1, okay? All right. Now let's divide here by 6 exponent 1, here by 6 exponent 1. All right, so this and this will cancel. So we are left with 6 exponent x, okay? 6 exponent x over 6 exponent 1 equals, okay, 7 times 5. All right, so let's apply the quotient rule. Now, a exponent m over a exponent c equals a exponent m minus c. So our equation becomes 6 exponent x minus 1 equals, okay, 7 times 5. All right. Now, 6 is the same as 3 times 2, okay? All right, so we're going to have 7 times 5 here. All right, so here let's apply the product to a power rule of indices. So a times b, or in a bracket exponent c, equals a exponent c multiplying b exponent c. So our equation becomes 3 exponent x minus 1 times 2 exponent x minus 1 equals 7 times 5. Now, let's apply logarithm. So we say log, okay, 3 exponent x minus 1 times 2 exponent x minus 1 equals log 7 times 5. All right. Now let's apply the product rule of logarithm. So if you have log a times b, this gives us log a plus log b, okay? So our equation becomes log 3 exponent x minus 1 plus log 2 exponent x minus 1 equals log 7 plus log 5. All right. Now let's apply the logarithm definition, okay? So log a exponent n base b equals n log a base b. All right. So we are going to apply this concept to our equation. So we are going to have, okay, you're going to have x minus 1 times log 3 plus x minus 1 times log 2 equals log 7 plus log 5. All right, so we have x minus 1 here, and we have it here. So let's factorize. So we can say x minus 1 times log 3 plus log 2 equals log 7, okay, equals log 7 plus log 5. All right, now let's divide both sides of the equation by log 3 plus log 2. So we do the same thing here, log 3 plus log 2. So this cancels this. So now we have x minus 1, okay? Now we have x minus 1 equals log 7 plus log 5 over log 3 plus log 2. So our equation becomes x equals log 7 plus log 5 over log 3 plus log 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is our answer.